the pond where the water's so blue lives a little duck with a song or two. She quacks in the morning, she quacks at night. Her songs make the world feel so bright. Oh, little duck, sing a song, waddle to the rhythm all day long. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, her melodies float through the air. She sings to the fish, she sings to the trees. Her voice rides the breeze with such ease. The frogs join in with a ribbit ribbit too. They sing together under the moon.